Yeah. Don't know. Quoting live from Boston, you get me? We have more Salah fans apparently. The whole fucking family. Yeah. About to do the madness, yeah? Walking into the Lions Den, yeah? Like a real Rasta man, yeah?
Yo, me don't tell you that you have to walk a little ahead of me.
Walk ahead of you, Now I'm about to walk right here. You better learn how to dodge. Yeah? You ever seen dodgeball? To wear this crest, yeah? This great crest, yeah? Came to a Scouser Fest. Yeah. In the building with the mighty Scousers, yeah? This is mad. It's like, yep, fully mad. And them are looking at me like, is this man taking the piss? This is bare foolishness. This is bare foolishness. That's what this is. Look at this. Remind them. There goes another United fan. 2 peas in a pot.
You're an asshole.
And then I ran down my...
Yo!
It's all in.
Sure you got all the way down on the end, sir. Get the wall 34. Right down there. Let's go.
Get out of here!
It's begun, ain't it? You're so full of it. That was a very good goal, yeah? Everybody over here is mad quiet, bro. It's mad quiet over here, bro. It's cool. I'm Santa's out.
A City supporter, a United supporter.
Hey, bro, welcome to the party, bro. Welcome to the party. Welcome to the party. It's getting wild. Yeah, bro. Sevilla just scored on these, man. Yeah, bro. It's getting mad, bro. Never walk alone to take this. Crazy, ain't it? That terrible shirt, man. It's a terrible shirt. Oh, it's bare badness right now, ain't it? This is madness. Hey, come here. You don't know you had one thing here. Up top, mighty. About there. Hindu. Fully mad, isn't it? bust them man net again, yeah?
Big scoreboard is on there.
Good, yeah? Good, yeah? Taking the piss, innit? Yeah. Proper way to take the piss out of all of these, man, innit? Yeah. Yeah, man flew all the way to Boston just to tell you, man, you man are shit. Yeah. It's mad, innit? Fucking mad. Yeah. Yeah. And here I stand as a legend. As a legend, here I stand. Out here in the Lions Den, yeah? Out here in the Lions Den, where they took the L, taking the piss, cuz you man are shit. You man came all the way to America to disappoint me. I thought you man had something left. It's actually mad. Oh yeah, go ahead, get your picture to take the piss out of everybody. But it's okay, I'll let him slide.
Are you wearing the wrong jersey?
No, man, I came to take the piss today, cuz I came to take
preseason.
Still gotta take it.
Pure academy player.
It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. A loss is a loss. See how quiet the whole section was, yeah? You see how quiet the section was, yeah? Oh, I love it. I love it. What? Mad. Mad. Mad.
The mighty force.
Mad, yeah? It's mad, yeah? Legendary moves, yeah? All these disappointed. Disappointed. Look at that. Studied that. Look at that. Look at that.
You're the only one.
They all wanted to win, man. They all wanted to win and they took a L. Look what man spent their money to see a win. And then there's for academy kids. Because I came to take the piss.